So welcome back, and it's going to be a difficult review today. I've got two of them here, and the reason why is because I originally got this one from Xcoser review, and it's warped, it's caved in, it doesn't even fit on my head, the thighs are scratched up, the thighs is wobbly and it's all battered. I couldn't review this, honestly. Like, I struggled. I had to. It just turned out to a run of quality, and I don't know. I think it's kind of put a disdain on the whole review, even though they sent me a better one. But I'm trying to think as like, if I was a customer and I got this one, would they replace it as quickly as the one that I got for a review? I don't really think so. So, yeah, let's just get into the review. So the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to show you the damage and show you the warped areas and what's wrong with the helmet, and then I'm going to review this one normally, just to be fair. I think it's very fair if I showed both. I could have easily just pretended this one did not assist and review it, because I like to be honest with you guys. So I'm just going to go into the negative helmet. So the sculpt is great, like I said. The sculpt is actually pretty good. It's just the way it came in damaged and deformed. Like, I'm not quite sure what happened to the back, but it's severely deformed, and quite a lot of these Xcoser helmets have like a deformity issue, and you cannot guarantee how deformed or undeformed it is. The visor is very loose and it scratched up really badly. They had holes for the visor. I don't really like these, they're a bit stick out and they don't really blend in. And they even had a mistake and drawn a hole here. For example, it's not here. So quality control could be better. It's a bit flimsy. It's not as solid as the ODST helmet. What's really surprised me, I'm kind of got this high stand for them ever since I've seen the ODST helmet. I assume that's a standard for like all of them, but this one's not it. But to be fair, the paint job is nice. It's got a nice bit of weathering on it. But anyway, yeah, this helmet came out really bad, and they sent me a new one. So enough of this one. We go into the nicer looking one. So overall, this one has a nice appearance. It's got, like I said, the quality control issues really bother me. For example, this one came out really nice, and it's got no extra holes or anything. The visor was a little bit more secure. It's a little bit warped, what's suspected. It's got more padding, the visor's a bit more secure, and it's got some really cool lights in here. But I don't have batteries to show them, but I guarantee they work. Problem is, I don't like about the lights. It seems a bit like an afterthought, because there's no like details modelled in, they're just holes with LEDs in them. And the spacing are not the same on each side, so they're not symmetrical on both sides, and the spacing between them are not the same. So my like recommendation Xcoser is to just use a ruler next time. And it'd be nice to have like a housing for it rather than just two holes. And it's got the same problem the other one, it's a bit squishy on the top. There's no structural support. The visor doesn't add the structural support structure. It's just sitting there. It would be nice if the visor was secured onto the helmet to give that a bit of extra strength. The paint application is okay. I honestly prefer the paint application of the other one. This one has no weathering to it or no scratches. It also has a different paint scheme. Let me show you. Like I said, the quality control is an issue for me. Like, that bit's on here is blue. This bit is grey. I'm not sure if this is like the second edition and that's the first edition, they never told me. So my final verdict, not as good as the ODST helmet, and the quality control issues are pretty bad. The visor is better and stronger than the ODST one, but fails to have any sort of like security on it or any sort of fastening to keep it steady. The sculpt is very nice. There's lots and lots of detail in it, so I'm really surprised. It's a really nice sculpt. It might be a 3D print by the looks of it, but it does look very, very neat. So on one hand, this one's really good and really good quality, but on the other hand, this is the one I got first, and the only reason I got this one is because I complained about it and I'm reviewing it. But if you receive this one, I can't guarantee to replace it, and for that I can't recommend it. So I'm sorry guys, this one's really good, this one's really bad, but I'm not sure which one you're gonna get. So anyway, shout out to my patrons as usual. Give me a sub, a like, a comment and all that jazz, and stick around because we've got something very special to show you in the next video. So stay tuned to 2 Penny Props and you might see something awesome next time.